Hello everyone, this is our third video for the lesson triangles, right? So the topic for today is angle properties of a triangle. So here we'll just learn in a very descriptive way, okay? And the very important point we'll be discussing, okay? So we have three properties, that is property 1, property 2, property 3. So we'll go on detail. The first property that we'll be discussing is that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means that if you add all the angles of a triangle, the total sum will be how much? It will be 180 degree. For this I have got one image for you all. You can just go through that. Okay, so if you see here in the figure, you see that we have this triangle, right? We have this triangle, and if all the angles we have angle as 1, 2 and 3, okay? So here what we get is like it's an activity, okay? You can also perform it at your home. You can just take out a paper and cut it into any type, but it has to be triangle, okay? You need to keep in your mind it has to be triangle. So if you make any triangle out of it and cut every portion of it, okay? If you cut every portion of it, okay, so let me try if I can cut this image or not. I don't know whether I can, but I will try. Okay, I have taken out this, okay? Again, if I take it out, angle 2 as well, please wait. All right, I've taken out this side as well, and the last angle, okay, I've taken out, right? So now what I will do is like I'll forget this triangle for now. I've just taken all the angles now, right? I've just taken all the angles. So I'll try to arrange all this right from angle 1, right? First of all, what I will do is like I'll draw a straight line. I'll draw a straight line, okay? So now I'll take this first angle, which is my first angle, okay? There goes my first angle. So I'll keep it on this part at any point, okay? And I'll take another part too. So I'll try to align with this one. Since it's not accurate, because I'm trying to make you understand how do we do, you can just perform it at your home as well. And the last one is 3. So if you join all this, yes, so if you join all this, see, now you get a straight line, isn't it? Every angle, if you merge it together, you can, it lies on the straight line. That means you know that in a straight line, what is the total angle? It is 180 degree. Similarly, if you cut all the pieces of this triangle angle and join it together, you get how much? The sum as 180 degree. This means that the sum of three angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree, right? So now we have seen that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 from here, right? If you add it, how much you will get? 180 degree. So if you want to write in more descriptive way, in other way, you can just do it this way. See, I'll use different color pen. I have a triangle as A, B, C, suppose, okay. This angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be how much? 180 degree. So this is the thing that you need to remember. All right. So now next we have property 2. As the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, if one of its angle is 90 degree or more than the other two, then the other two must be acute. Means that sorry, suppose I have a triangle, okay. Oh sorry, it has to be 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. Okay, we don't know this angle. Okay, we don't know these two angles. Suppose this be not one, A and B, angle A and B, we don't know this angle, and the name of a triangle is X, Y and Z, right? So we know that angle Y is how much? 90 degree. Angle Y is how much? 90 degree. But you can easily see and visualize from your eye itself that this seems to be less than 90 degree. This both of the angle seems to be less than 90 degree. So this property says that if one of the angle is 90 degree or more than 90 degree, then the other must be acute. These two angles, they are always acute. So I'll take another example, like suppose I have another triangle which is 120 degree. You don't know this angle, but still you can make out that they are still less than 90 degree, right? So if one of the angle is more than 90 degree, that means the other two angles, the other two remaining angles, they are always acute, means less than 90 degree. So if you want to think it in a very detailed way, I can make you understand in this way. Like suppose for the first case, it is 90 degree already taken, 90 degree is already taken, right? But we don't know these two angles, and from the property 1, you know that if you add all A, B and 90 degree, if you add A plus B plus 90 degree, it should be how much total? 180 degree. But already 90 degree has been taken, right? So A plus B is how much? 180. If you take it to the other side, it will be minus 90 degree. So that gives you 90 degree. So that means if you add A plus B, then only you will get 90 degree. What about A in single? That means it is less than 90 degree. It is understood, right? It is through our common sense we can make it out that it is less than 90 degree. Similarly for this second drawing also, it is already 120, right? Suppose this be A, B. So A plus B plus 120 gives you how much? 180 degree. So A plus B is how much? 180 minus 120 degree, right? So that gives you 60 degree. So now it's even lesser. So if you add A plus B, you'll get how much? 60 degree. That means it is much more lesser as compared to first one. So it is understood that if it is more than 90 degree or equal to 90 degree, then the remaining two angle will be always acute, less than 90 degree. All right. So the last property is of exterior angle property. Okay. So here I have another image. So here in the image, it's like activity itself. It's like same as activity 1 which we have done. So here we forget about this part. We forget about this part for now. Okay, we just focus on this triangle. So let me draw. It's something like this. Angle 1, 2 and 3 is there, right? So now what we have done in the first case is like we have kept 2 as it is. Okay, we have kept 2 as it is, and we have just took out 1 and 3. We have cut the piece out and we have taken out, and we have attached this 1 here, and it forms something like this. Again this 3 here. So ultimately what I get is like we'll get a total straight line. See here, right from this point to this point, it's a straight line. Don't you think so? Yes, it is a straight line. So now angle inside a triangle, if you add all the angles, that is also 180 degree, and in a straight line also it is 180 degree. But we have not taken out 2 and 2 only, we have taken out 1 and 3. We have taken out this 1 and 3, and we have kept it here, right? So if you keep it here, again it's forming 180 degree. That means this 2 angle, okay, whatever angle is there, 2 is equal to the sum of this, not 2 angles, sorry. So the outer part is what? Here we have 1 and we have 3. So we have 1 here and we have 3 here, right? Similarly we have 1 and 3. That means the outer part, like for example in this drawing, if I make it in a very clear way, it's something like this. Okay, we have 1 here, we had 1 here, we had 2 here, sorry, 3 here, and we have 2 here. And if we, through activity, we found it like something like this, and someone like this. But it was from the one part we have taken out, and we have kept the 3 part here, right? So it becomes like 1 and 3. So now this as a whole is exterior part. This as a whole is exterior part. You know that from the first video itself I have told you about the exterior angles, right? So here exterior angle we have 1 and 3, and inside also we have here 1 and 3. So this exterior angle is always equal to the sum of this. Means if you add 1 and 3, you'll get the exterior part. So this is understood. So this can be understood with the help of examples. Later on we'll be solving that, and it will be more clear to you. All right? Yes. So now we'll solve few examples based on the above discussions. So if the 3 angles of a triangle ABC are equal, then find the measures of each angle. Means that I have one triangle, okay, where all the angles are same. That means the angle is unknown to us, but it has been said that all the angles are same. That means we don't know the angle for now. So I'll just take an help of x. So let the angles be x. So it is A, B, C. So here A will be equal to angle B, which is equal to angle C. All the angles are equal. So those all angles are what? X. And you know through angle sum property that if you add all the angles of a triangle, how much you'll get? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C gives you how much? 180 degree by angle sum property, right? So angle A is how much? X. Angle B is X. Angle C is also X. That gives you 180 degree. So x, 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 if you add it together, you get 3x equals to 180 degree. And in the previous chapter, the earliest chapter that we have discussed, that is integers, 3x means what? 3 into x equals to 180 degree, right? So x equals to 180 degree, like we have done in algebra. If you want to take, you have to take this 3 to other side because it's a number, right? So if you take the multiplication of 3 to other side, it will be division of 3. So 180 divided by 3 gives you how much? 60 degree. So each angle is how much? 60 degree each. Each angle is 60 degree, right? 60 degree here, 60 degree, and 60 degree here. So this is all about. And this, with this examples, you can solve question number 8 of exercise 4a, right? Number 2, we have find x from given figure. So figure I have forgot to draw. I'll draw it here right now. So we have P, Q and R. P is how much? 80 degree. R is how much? X plus 10 degree. And we have here X. So 80 is understood. That is the angle. But X plus 10 and X, that is unknown. That is not the exact value of angle, right? So we need to find the value of X for now. So with the same property, angle sum property, okay, so the sum of the angle of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R gives you how much? 180 degree, right? So angle P is how much? 80 degree. Angle Q is how much? X. Angle R is how much? X plus 10 degree equals to 180 degree, right? So now, as in algebra, what we used to do, we used to segregate the variables and the numbers. Similarly here we'll segregate the degree and the variables. So I'll write x together, x plus x, and remaining 80 plus 10 degree equals to 180 degree. So x plus x gives you how much? 2x plus 80 plus 10 is 90 degree. That gives you equal to 180 degree. You have to compare, okay, PQR is equal to 180, then you'll just replace the value, okay, it has to be same throughout. So 2x equals to 180 degree. If you take this 90 to other side of equal, it will be plus 90 will be minus 90. So 2x gives you 180 minus 90 is 19. This implies x, 2x means 2 into x. So if you want to find just the value of x, you will get 90. 2 into x will be divided by 2, that gives you 45. So I'm just skipping few of the steps because we have already done in algebra, okay. So in mathematics, every chapter is interlinked with each other, so you cannot just segregate, okay. You have to keep your concepts clear. So whatever you have understood, whatever you have learned, you just keep it in your mind. And the last question for this is like from the exercise 4a. Okay, in figure PQR, sometimes the question is like this only, you will not get the figures, you have to draw it on your own. And in geometry, one thing you have to keep in your mind that whenever you get the question, try to imagine and draw a figure, because if you draw, then you can easily relate and find the answer easily, okay. So now we have a triangle PQR. Angle P is how much? 56 degree. Angle Q is given 60 degree. Angle R is unknown, we don't know the value of angle R, right? So this question is similar to question number 8, right? In question number 8, it is not given, but the figure is given, you just need to find the value of unknown. So now angle P plus angle Q plus angle R gives you how much? 180 degree, as angle sum property says that. So angle P is how much? 56 degree. Angle Q is 60 degree, and angle R is unknown. I'll write angle R itself. So now 56 plus 60 is how much? 116 degree. So angle R equals to 180 degree, right? So angle R equals to 180 plus 116, if it goes to other side of equal, it will be minus 116 degree. So angle R is how much? 64. Let me check. Yes, the answer is correct. So it is 64 degree. So this is the way to find the angle of our triangles, right? So it's quite simple if you practice it, and you can go through examples, okay. You can go through your examples as well, you can go to other examples from other book as well. You'll get more ideas about triangle, and it's a very interesting subject, and it has got wide application later on. So it's not that whatever you're learning it's only for class 6, okay. Whatever you're learning, it's a basic thing that you need to remember. So later on, mathematics has got a wide application over all the subjects or over all the areas. So if you keep it in your mind, if you relate it with your daily life, it will be very interesting for you. And don't take it as a hard subject, take it as an easy subject, because if you practice it well, you get answers and you'll enjoy finding the answers. So practice it well, okay. And if you have any doubt, you can let us know, okay. Everyone stay safe, take care.